DVD eviction for cats. You've been on my bed all day. You have to get out of here. Nobody wants you here anyhow, you stupid cat. You have to get off the bed. I am building new real estate. You must go. Go. I evict you. I evict you. Look at all my bulldozers. I evict. I evict. You're evicted. Please, just go. Please. Please. I evict. I evict. This is a condemned block. Yay! You move your legs. Go move your legs. See the house. I'm building something here. All the pieces matter. Don't you get hungry? Don't eat your leg, eat a food. Stop cleaning your foot. Stop eating your foot. That was an actual bite. Don't bite. Why do you bite when you clean? I'm gonna need Jackie Chan's help for this. Jackie Chan 4 film collection. Go. She doesn't even care. Alright, let's see how much weight her tail can take. Really? Really? DVD eviction for cats is impossible.